Jihad simply means struggle. Struggle against injustice. Struggle against tyranny. I'm in favor of that kind of jihad.
Sir, I salute your courage, your strength, your indefatigability.
سيدي اسمحوا لي أن أحيي شجاعتكم وقوتكم وصمودكم الذي لا يخلأ.
And I want you to know that we are with you. Hatal Nasser, Hatal Nasser, Hatal Quds.
Saddam Hussein will live in history long after these dogs.
لكن جمال عبد الناصر صدام حسين.
George Galloway is never far from controversy. This week he's been in Havana meeting the Cuban leader Fidel Castro.
There I was with one of the world's greatest legends.
Like your friend Fidel Castro.
He's not a dictator.
He's not a dictator.
Don't compare Fidel Castro.
Why isn't he a dictator?
Don't compare Fidel Castro to the...
He runs what Human Rights Watch calls an undemocratic government that represses nearly all forms of political
I'll debate Cuba with you anytime you like, but I doubt if I've got enough time to do so now. But I'll make this point. I'm flying...
You think he's a Democrat,
I'm flying this evening to Caracas, Venezuela.
What's that got to do with this?
Everything. To speak at a rally at the weekend with the great Hugo Chavez.
Hugo Chavez and Fidel Castro are the real leaders of the Arab people. Victory to the Intifada. Long live the resistance. With the Kalashnikov.
ينتعلون الصنادل ويتسلحون كلاشنيكوف ويستعملون الأسلحة البدائية يكتبون أسماءها في مدنهم وقراهم على النجوم.
I'm not here to support his democracy. I spit upon his democracy.
I don't have any enemies in Afghanistan. I didn't declare war on anybody in Afghanistan. The Taliban are not an enemy. No, they're not an enemy to me.
After 9/11, was the USA wrong in removing the Taliban?
Yeah, but
no American soldier who leaves his barracks can be sure that he will come back alive.
But this question is simple. Was the USA wrong in removing the Taliban after 9/11? We could talk history all day long.
Well,
yes or no?
No, I wish it was simple. If life were
Say it was simple. I'm asking your opinion. Were we wrong in removing the Taliban after 9/11?
Well, if it were as simple as that, then we'd be talking about a very rosy picture.
I'm going to write down you don't want to answer that question.
No, because
I got another.
No, yes or no, certainly not.
It is.
No, it's
were
not
we
a yes
wrong?
or no question.
Were we wrong in removing the Taliban?
It's not a yes or no question. It's not a yes or no question.
على الإرهاب بينما السبب الحقيقي والإرهابيون الحقيقيون هم الحكومة في بريطانيا.
I can honestly tell you, I was coming to Iraq and hoping to meet with yourself.
Your Excellency. Very nice to see you again. How are you?
Thanks to his self-enforced exile, George Galloway will be one of the last to see the replay of one of his most controversial performances.
You seem very good health. I lost weight. I'm very happy about it. Yes, I see that you lost some weight, so I think you're better. It's good, but unfortunately I'm losing my hair also. Yes, I have noticed that, especially on the left side.
His links with the former Iraqi regime are well known, but the overt friendliness of this meeting with Saddam's son will shock many. Uday was renowned for his brutality and is believed to have personally tortured thousands of people.
I would like you to know that we are with you till the end.
Tell me if this is from you right here. I did support the Soviet Union. I think the disappearance of the Soviet Union is the biggest catastrophe of my life. Is that true?
Yes, I did say that. That is my view.
Make one fix and break the political and economic system.
It's a day in the life, isn't it? This is the kind of when you're busy making plans for world revolution.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascended to heaven.
The place where the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven from the roof of the Al-Aqsa Mosque.
المرضى هم بوش وبلير. المسلمون ليسوا بحاجة للعلاج.
We say to these young angry Muslims, we know you're angry. You are right to be angry. We need the Kalashnikov.
فنحن بحاجة للكلاشنكوف.
We need the armed struggle.
ونحن
George is the only one where any action's been taken, and it's quite clear that it's nothing to do with his position on the flag. It's a position on British troops and calling on foreign troops to fight against British troops.
Mr. Galloway, you have a record as long as my arm of justifying autocracy across the world, and you admire Castro because of the way he rules.
That you were our Prime Minister too, and I can let that out.
All the papers seem to imply that you get executed in Iran for being gay. That's not
his boyfriend was hung.
Yes, but not for being gay, for committing sex crimes.
But I'm afraid we're all Hamas now.